Welcome to this concise tutorial on how to update your WordPress themes. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that each instruction is clearly explained so you can update your theme quickly and with confidence. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the WordPress homepage loads, you will notice a login option located in the top right corner of the screen. This is your entry point into the platform. When you click the login option, you are asked to authenticate your identity. To make logging in even simpler, choose to continue with Google by clicking the corresponding button. This option allows you to select your Google account so that your credentials are handled securely and efficiently. After you have logged in successfully using your Google account, you need to switch your focus towards customizing the appearance of your website. Navigate to the Appearance section. This area is where you manage all aspects related to the design and layout of your WordPress site, including themes. By going to the Appearance section, you are setting up to work with your active theme. You will see options on the left side menu that allow you to tweak various elements of your website design. Next, in order to update your current theme, a slight workaround involves reactivating your theme. The process may sound unusual at first, but the idea is to update the theme by refreshing its configuration. In this case, you need to activate another theme temporarily. This simple switch acts as a trigger that prepares your original theme for the necessary update. Switching themes is a straightforward process that is fully reversible, and it is helpful whenever a theme requires a refresh without waiting for automatic updates or manual reinstallations. Now that you have activated a temporary theme, it is time to return to your original one. Go back to your initial theme and click on the option to activate it again. This action not only reverts your site back to its familiar look, but it also ensures that the theme will update during the reactivation process. The update happens as part of the reactivation procedure, so you benefit from any improvements, security patches, or new features that the theme update provides without performing extra steps. Throughout these steps, it is important to remain patient and ensure that each action is completed before moving on to the next. The process of logging in, navigating to Appearance, temporarily activating a different theme, and then reactivating your original theme is designed to be quick and efficient. By following this method, you help maintain the security and functionality of your WordPress site while taking advantage of the latest theme enhancements. The entire procedure is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, making it a practical solution for busy website administrators. With these clear instructions at hand, you are now well equipped to update your WordPress themes with ease and confidence. Enjoy the refreshed look and improved performance of your site after following these steps.